Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. This Vera TV program in the building. Oh, yes, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching me from. This Vera TV program. So I greet and appreciate you a lot for supporting me, for being there for me, and for subscribing to my YouTube channel, guys. Oh yes, I love you all. How do I look? How did my color look right now, guys? So my beautiful people, I greet you all, I appreciate you all for supporting me, for being there for me, for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Oh yes, my beautiful people, get to go get matter. Be say one use man to quickly touch this afternoon, my beautiful people, happy evening. So now no say me Vera TV program they always they talk and the way it be they always they stand for truth when it be say as smart as they as why they talk so you can't get if una watch my Vera TV program 4 days ago when I say message to Iyore. So I was talking about YouTube and how YouTube they be sometimes this YouTube now human being I create and I get and how you born I get and when it be say they still give us that privilege and that right to date there to do things there. Please let me introduce myself again. This Vera TV program. Please, this video is going to Vera TV program. You understand? And the title of this video is message to some YouTubers. Yes, message to YouTubers. Yes, that is the topic of this video, and that is what I'm going to write there. Message to some YouTuber. And please, if you just enter this my video, try to listen to what I want to talk. If you know you are a YouTuber, you know you want to enter YouTube, or you shall grow YouTube, you need to listen to this my message to YouTubers. So thank you very much. I appreciate all this Vera TV program in the building, guys. So my beautiful people, what we are trying to talk about this evening, my beautiful people, now waiting be say at the talk just now when it be say I tell una about how do I look okay. So I tell una waiting happen when I can't do video about Iyore when I say YouTube is a thing, not be waiting you go just say you want kill yourself put or because you just be YouTuber life don't finish, it don't end and no any other person go there when you have the way to help your follower, your people like Nigeria, you understand? You have the play a chance to help. You will not like to help because of now only you one day there. So I can't do a video. Say YouTube is a thing. A person create YouTube. And now you born and get YouTube. When they do YouTube, they not choose who will go there, go they do video. So I can't get to talk about say YouTube is a thing. Not be what you go, although it is work. You understand? But at a time, not be what you go, you put your life and everything on. Because social media is the thing. When you exhaust all your life on social media, you know if you do anything, nothing you go fit do. You understand? Pepe, time they go, time they go, time they go, time they go. If you to do something, it will be your problem. Not go if you do anything. So I can't get to talk about that video, my beautiful people. So now, okay, they call my people. Let me do this way. Okay. So right now, my people, yesterday, if you are a YouTuber, yesterday something happened on YouTube. Yes. Yesterday, if you are a YouTuber, you need to listen to this my video. That is why I said this message is for all YouTubers. This message is for all YouTubers. If you know yesterday, you go see what Vera they talk about. When I talk about Iyore, when I say see the way people take they do for social media because of YouTube. You understand me? So I can't get to talk about say where did they go on me and myself I not understand what we say because of YouTube. So people don't know their mama, they don't know their papa again. They don't even know their loved one. They don't even know people where be say now human be like them. You understand me? You not concern them because they YouTube. You understand? Because of YouTube aspect. Okay. Because of YouTube aspect. So I can't get to talk say YouTube is a thing. Not be waiting you go just say you want to kill yourself. Put. Not be waiting be say you say if you not do you as in you won't spend all your life. Although it's good to spend all life at time on YouTube, but at the time when you master use social media to master, you not go fit do anything. So I can't get to talk say the way our black people take they do for this YouTube, it not make sense. And this YouTube is a thing is it a fool. You understand me? So yesterday, my message to all YouTubers. Yesterday, you know, many people go notice what happen for YouTube. Many people go notice what happen. No can notice now, you know. Understand? And he said you are a YouTuber, you don't have laptop, you don't have a desktop. You said you are a YouTuber. Better go and buy you because me, I'm a type of person. They talk on the way it be, and they try to as in to teach people something to to make people learn. I dey always use my own dey talk because some people dey now they know wetin happen yesterday, they can never come out and say it. Yes, yesterday something happened on YouTube, and I wetin be say I talk day 4 days ago. Me I dey talk. You understand? Sometimes I dey live, I turn and say my eye. E get as e dey. Sometimes if I dey talk, you go say wetin this one know wey dey talk. I know wetin I dey talk. Oh. Sometimes I go dey see some kind thing. Yeah. So I go talk about say what of one day you can't enter your phone. When I go watch video when I do about Iyore. Yes, when I go watch video when I do about Iyore. I go say what of now sometimes now you can't enter your phone, YouTube disappear. YouTube not there your phone again. They not see anything about YouTube again. What will you do? Will you kill yourself? Go and watch the video I did 3-4 days ago. You go here. And what happened yesterday? Yesterday, my beautiful people. Hey. Yesterday, if you be YouTuber, you go notice wetin happen yesterday. YouTube almost finish. Yes, YouTube almost finish. Not be almost. When you just enter, you not go see your channel. Yes, you not go see your channel for your YouTube. Yes. You not go see your channel for your YouTube. You know, go see your channel for your YouTube. It just disappear. It just go just like that. So lucky many people when you go get or maybe na network or wetin happen or na YouTube people na still work on YouTube. I got to check on my laptop. Yes, I got to check on my laptop before I can see say something was going wrong. When I can say na laptop I can fit open yesterday. But when I enter with my phone, when I check my phone, YouTube did not show. Your channel will not show. You will not even see anybody channel who say I lie. Come and prove. Come and tell me, say me they lie. Yesterday, everybody go Davido. Everybody I can say what happened? I don't see my channel. Maybe even they check people. Which people will not show. People will not show. Everybody own. Later on, I got to check my computer. My computer can't even show me. So now, what are they talk? I told her, I say YouTube not be what because now you both the operator on a network of 18 now. Something when it be say they full. Maybe yesterday now we say YouTube you want get little problem. Maybe they try to reduce some things. Maybe it don't too full. They got to say okay, maybe they come out something because the YouTube worldwide is YouTube. Worldwide, everybody did the all tribe, all country. Now there, we all everybody did. So right now, yesterday was so shocking. I got to call my mama and say, darling, what is going on? I didn't see my channel. Say, you didn't see it. I said, no lie. I said, okay, you check it for me. When they check it, he said, no, sir. He yourself, he not see you. I say, I not be only your own. I got to check another channel, I not see. He got begin to check many people, he not see. But it was later. He got to enter for computer before we can see our channel. So my beautiful fans, my beautiful people, what are we trying to say? If you know you are a YouTuber, you want to become a YouTuber, try to have computer. Yes, have laptop. Yes, get laptop, have the desktop. Yes, because many people will not tell you the truth. Many people not go like tell you so that may you not know the right way to go. May you not know the right thing to do at the right time. But me, Vera TV program, I'm not like that. I say it the way it be. I dey like to put people through. I dey like to talk on the way it be, my beautiful people. When I make you see them, the verse for me. Put me, I don't care. I don't give a fuck that somebody is angry about it or I don't need to say the truth. No. I dey like to say the truth. You understand? I dey like to say the truth the way the truth be. I dey like to talk on the way it be, my beautiful fans, my beautiful people. So how do I look, guys? So this message is going for some YouTubers. Yes, it's going for some YouTubers. So if you know you want to enter YouTube, try to have laptop. Yes, try to get laptop because wetin happen yesterday and wetin be say never happen. Since I'm on YouTube, I never see such thing before. Maybe una self fit don see am, I don't know because una no dey talk matter. Some of una no dey like to talk person, tell person truth. Some of una no dey like to put person through. So if it don't happen before, which me I don't know. But yesterday was so shocking. So YouTube be don't go down. So lucky many people channel still come back. My own 3 channel I see am. Although on a laptop I can't fit get my own, but I don't know for some others. Maybe people when they use phone, maybe they can't get problem. I don't know. Someone are they listening to me. If I they talk, not because I don't know what I they talk. Yoruba say or me as in God when I they talk, I understand them more. You understand me? So because if you see what happened yesterday, was a shock. Yes, let me just enter my YouTube. I found nothing. So if I'm lying, you can come and tell me, Vera, you are lying. Yesterday here. Yes, although I forgot the time, but it will be around 2, 3. I don't know. Yesterday. Yeah, maybe around 2, 3, 4. Yes, or 2. Yeah, that time now it take happen. Now that time it take happen when it be say YouTube, you cannot find YouTube, you cannot find anything on your channel. The thing was so shock. Yes. So let me they tell una when they do YouTube, they carry YouTube for egg bang 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 and say na una work. I tell una that now say YouTube is a place when it be say YouTube owner can decide to they go say he want shut YouTube down. YouTube, Facebook owner can say today I want to shut it down because the wahala everything is too much. Instagram owner can come out today and say want to shut Instagram up. Will you kill yourself? Will you kill yourself? Because some people want to kill themselves because of YouTube. Some people want to kill themselves because of YouTube. They don't know their mama, they don't know their papa, they don't want to help people when they come. Only they make, only they there. So lucky yesterday, if you say YouTube just go down yesterday, that is on. That is e finish. You know, girl, you want to go beat. You don't know YouTube owner for house when you want to go mash them down. So what I'm trying to say right here, if you want to become YouTuber or you are a YouTuber already, try to have laptop. Because earlier this year, a bit 3, 4 months ago, YouTube right and said, make people log in on YouTube or on people should log in on computer because there are some things that is going to change. Because some say they go school, they don't go. They say they know something, they don't know anything. Even YouTube go send the email, they go ignore the email. So YouTube thought say people need to log in on a computer so that it will be so they know why they said it. But some people will take that message for granted. So lucky when they send it, I just got to tell my mom, say they send message, yeah, they send message, you have to follow up. So you can't follow up. You understand? Although on a computer everything fair day. So if you are a new YouTuber or you are a old YouTuber, you don't have laptop, please, for crying out loud, go and buy laptop. Because anything business, you need to put money first before it will start to give you something. Although na small thing they get for the but at a time. If you want to become YouTuber or you are already a YouTuber, you don't have laptop, please go and have a desktop. Go and have a laptop. That will be better for you. Because what happened on YouTube yesterday, since I've been on YouTube, since how many years now? 1 year plus now. I've not seen such thing before. First time I was thinking is my network. I swear to Almighty God. What I'm about to say now, which I want to also. I swear to Almighty God. Yesterday, I did think say maybe na my network. As in my network now. I can't go remove them from light. I can't get to plug it back. Because I don't see YouTube. I don't even see anybody for YouTube. Because, okay, if my channel never show for me, I got to see another people for YouTube. You understand? If my channel never show, I got to see another YouTuber. I don't say, Kutulu. I don't see anybody on YouTube. I say, is this network or what? I can't get to remove my network from the light. You understood me? I got to remove my network from the light and plug it back. Before you know, now it takes a little time before it load. It still load the same thing. I was saying, God Almighty, what is the meaning of this? I got to rush and call my mom and say, please, check my YouTube and check your YouTube too. I don't know what is going on. He got to check your YouTube first. He checked your YouTube, he didn't see anything. He checked the video, he checked P-Square, make come see they check people. Nobody show on YouTube. Now see, did you people say something? Nobody show on YouTube. Every channel was everything just went down. I was saying, network peak. I got to off my phone, on my phone back, off my phone, on it back. Uranio, lie. It did not work. I got to come, mama, please check computer. He got to enter computer, and computer can't quickly bring down when mama said, take it easy. Let me check computer. He got to log in, check computer. Now he can't see him. So as he can't say, yes, I don't see your channel. I say, nah, lie. Now you quickly call him for video call. Oh, yeah. You understand? So now he got to check him for me yesterday. You understand me? Because he not there has. I got to call him for video call, please, because he gets internet from outside. He can't got to help me check him. You see? Now make you, if you get man, you may get network for phone because anything can happen. You go fit call if normal number, maybe number no go. Although I did call him on normal number, call it on WhatsApp because he have network all the time. So I got to call him on network. Please, check. He can't got to quickly check. So my beautiful people, while I'm talking this one, not saying me and they talk and the way it be now, my beautiful fans. I only they say the truth, and the truth shall set us free. As for me, I like saying the truth, and I like to put people through so that they will not fall into victim. That one they are more waiting me than the jealousy, they want cry, they want kill themselves. I'm not like that. I'm not be only me one shop, only me one shop. Not at all. So my beautiful people, my beautiful fans, you need to be very, very careful. Yes, you need to be very, very careful because what happened yesterday on YouTube, and this message is going to all YouTubers, you need to be very, very careful. When they say YouTube na bro, na often na earth, now na alpha and omega. You people should go and check if Vera is still lying. Yesterday, something happened on YouTube. Yes, I experienced it yesterday. So who say me they lie? You should ask people. People will notice something on YouTube yesterday, they will put you through. Because me, I know say I know they lie. I remove my network no work. I remove my this one no work. I remove my that, it no work. So when I see what they talk about, and in day before, see that before days ago here, when I wear yellow shirts, like this kind of shirt, the yellow one, when I talk about it, you always say, you always stop lying about Jama. I talk about it. I was there before yesterday here. So some YouTubers should be very careful because this YouTube can decide and shut YouTube down. You have nobody to hold. Shebi I talk. So yesterday, my people, YouTube almost go down. God to God be the glory. YouTube almost go down. This one we say the block person channel or the block 2 person channel. Everybody channel be don't go. So my beautiful fans, you have to be prayerful and you have to have laptop. Not say I not tell you. Get laptop. Yes, have laptop. Laptop is very, very important. Have desktop. If you don't have laptop, try to have desktop. Because you want to do business, you need to invest. It be like when big men they invest for waiting they want to, they want buy house, or they want to container business, they go invest. So you too have to invest. No, you say money they also more money they get. You don't want invest. Go and buy laptop. Oh, if you are a YouTuber already, go and buy laptop. Because if you don't buy laptop, one chance vehicle. And I give thanks to God. It not going to pass like that. So very soon I can't check again. Many channel can't show. After when I don't see my own for my desktop, for my computer, I got to check many people it can't show. So to God be the glory Almighty. So why I bring this topic today, I want to be say many people don't feel know about it. If you be say many people don't they ask, they don't know when this thing happen. So I'm here to tell you guys the reality and what happened yesterday on YouTube, guys. So now some my people more they tell ourselves the truth because this life nowhere that we they carry and they go. You understand? You know, some people there they don't like truth. When you are telling them the truth, it's like as if you are beating them. Yes, it's like as if you are beating them. They don't like it. And of which is very, very bad. I'm coming down, my beautiful people. So, it's like as if you are beating them. They don't like the truth. But as for me, Vera, I like to say the truth, my beautiful people. And please, if today is your first time visiting Vera TV program, please don't fail to subscribe. And please don't fail to give thumbs up to this video. Give your opinion. If you are a YouTuber, this message is for all YouTubers. That is the title of this video I just did right now. So please be careful. Yes, be careful. Be careful. Maybe load when YouTube carried on too much. And not lie. If you day around yesterday with your YouTube, you were online on your YouTube yesterday, you will detect what happened. Or you were on live video, or you were trying to post video, or you were trying to check your channel. You will know what I'm talking about. It is yesterday here on the 14th of December. God so to God be the glory. He not pass like that. So my beautiful people, my beautiful fans, we need to take things easy. We need to do things je because this life nowhere with the car and they go. So thank God say this thing not pass like that, my beautiful people. So how do I look, darling? How do I look? Now you see a yellow. You just see me a yellow where. Now the sound a yellow well. If I know, see, color like say tomorrow, not the oh yes, not because not be to use a color as in go use a camera take wash am go do editing for YouTube. No, I don't do editing, guys. You can see me, I'm so beautiful. You see my neck, a yellow like say tomorrow, not that yellow. And some people say which cream they use Vera, which cream they use Vera. I don't say the fair and white is very good. Although when you start to use it at the first time, it will make you black. But when time goes on, it will come master your skin and it will come make you low. Take away. And they see me. And they see my garden, guys. Oh yes, and they see my garden, guys. Oh yes, oh yeah. So now, so my beautiful people, my beautiful fans. So I don't try to give my message for today. So that means Mona try. And they see I dey see Bobby, so now it be the thing. I know they show. I know be like some people know they see. So now they see it. Can you see that? Yes. So wear a good bra. It's very, very important. You can see that, guys. with Pikin, oh, now they see and still look. So that is it, my beautiful people. My body, my skin is so beautiful. Okay. So now, so my people, so I will soon round up this video. Please, if you know you are a YouTuber, be very careful, please, because it's not easy to be a YouTuber. It's not easy to monetize. It's not easy to monetize. It's not easy to be a YouTuber. It's a very big work and a very big stress, because it's not like Facebook when it be say you can on your live video and do whatever you want there. No, except you still monetize on Facebook. That is when it will be so easy for you a little bit. But at a time, it's not too easy. So that is it, guys. I love you all, my beautiful people. God bless you for watching. God bless you for visiting my channel every day. Yes, so this message is for all YouTubers. Please try to listen carefully so you will know what I'm talking about. I'm not lying. I don't used to lie. So guys, thank you very much. I still have a lot of video to do today. So thank you, my lovely people, my lovely people. Thank you. Thank you. So please don't forget to subscribe to this Vera TV program, and don't forget to give thumbs up, like the video, give thumbs up. Thank you very much. I'm about to end it now. Bye.